Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are again, having a quick run through with Akili. And as you can see, what to expect with your semester 1 reports. So let's get into it. Log into Atlas and then jump into Akili, and it pops you across to that familiar screen where you can choose your classes and so on. So first step is to make sure you've got the class that you're planning to write reports for, and check that you've got all the students that you expect to see in your list. If there is a student missing, type their name up in here, and if they're in the system, they should pop up, and adding them is as simple as clicking on them. If they do not, then send Scott an email and he will get them into the system. So now that they're all there, the next step is to leap across into report cards. Once you're in report cards, again, you just have a quick check that you've got the right class, have a quick check that you're in semester 1, and you should be good to go. So you've got 4 sections: the comment section, if we scroll down a little bit, the criteria where you choose the grade, scroll down a bit further, the ATLs, and the final grade. So first step would be to well, it's up to you which one you do first, but you need to do all 4. So let's look at the criteria. As simple as choosing a criteria and you're done. The ATLs, same deal. Click on it, choose the one that is appropriate for the student you're dealing with, and then choose the final grade. Comments, you should all have been working on comments in some sort of Word template. So for this one, this is Rakan. As you can see, working in here shows me where there are issues and lets me do some auto corrects and ignore where I need to. When that's all done and it's been proofed by a colleague, you can copy and then simply paste it in. Once you're done with that information, a quick check, got the narrative, got the ATLs, that malpractice, got the final grade, click Save Report Card, and then you can jump to the next student. Now, if you're in diploma level, you will notice that when you log in that you do not have assessment criteria. So you simply paste the narrative, ATLs, and final grade. So for diploma, one less step in the system. So to get that final grade, you need to be very aware of the grade boundaries. So for example, if we give this student a 3 for criterion A, a 4 there, they're quite good at performance, and social skills not so good. We get a total of 3, 7, 12, 16. So we can jump across to our Google Sites and on the start page jump into the middle years program, and then in the middle years program we have criteria and grade boundaries. I've got it already there, and Scott has loaded up the documents that show the grade boundaries for each of the subject areas. So for PE, again, I've just clicked View. Here it is. Here are the grade boundaries and the grade. So if I have a look back here, the total is 3, 7, 12, 16. According to the grade boundaries, that's a 4. So I punch in final grade of a 4. I paste in the comment. We're good to go. So once you've done that, again, save the report card. It's also a good idea to have a look at it so you get an idea of what it looks like in a printed form or in a final form that's going to parents. So simply click View Report Card, and that will chug away and will pop up showing you the report card for the student, how it all comes in, and how your comments will look once they're entered. Click on the next student, work through, save as you go, and that's all there is to it.